Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix crashing in Valorant. To fix Valorant crashing, you could follow these steps. First of all, you could start by updating Windows. If you haven't updated your Windows, then you want to actually do it. So you would then want to right click on the mouse and go to task settings. As you go to this section, you want to click on Windows Update. If you have this option as download and install, then you need to do it so, and that will be able to help you out as well. If the issue still persists on after updating the Windows as well, then you also want to make sure to verify the game files. So for that, right click on the mouse, then you want to come to open file location. When you locate the game, then you want to right click on the mouse and go to properties. As you go to properties, you want to make sure to select compatibility. Select both these options, that is run this program in compatibility mode 4 as well as run this program as an administrator. Once you've done it, so click on OK and then click the apply button. That should be able to help. If the issue still persists on, then you want to try these steps, that is click on run or type in run on the search box. Open this up, you want to locate or you want to type in % local app data %, then you will then be taken to this field. So on this page you want to simply locate Valorant. When you do it, so you want to go ahead and locate the file. You want to open that up, double click on it, and you simply want to uninstall all of these files. Then you want to come to the search bar once again and go to control panel. As you go to control panel, click on uninstall or program, click on right client, uninstall, and then restart your PC. Once again reinstall Valorant. That should be able to solve your issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.